Welcome to Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Kirk Blair. I'm going to show you this Keystone. It's a 2017 and it's got one slide out. It's actually a 271 RL. So it's a rear lounge model. It has a nice dinette slide. It's going to be stick and tin made. I'm going to go ahead and give you a walk around real quick and show you some nice features that it has. It has a power tongue jack here on the front, dual propane tanks, and then let's kind of make our way down the side. I want to show you a couple little features. It has the front pass-through storage bay. It also has power jacks, stabilization jacks on the front, push button, which is pretty awesome, and on the rear, so you don't have to crank them down. This has a power awning on it. It's got a Sani flush, which sprays down the black tank, helps rinse it out. It's a pretty nice feature. Outdoor shower. Front bedroom. This has a nice kind of spacious living area in the back. Let's go check it out. So as you come on into this unit, you have the nice big back window. I like the fishbowl effect, a couple nice chairs, a little storage. And as you kind of make your way around, you got a couch that makes into a bed. You have a dinette that also makes into a bed. Some charge ports. Entertainment center here into your kitchen area. Big spacious area, good colors, large pantry, good storage all the way, drawers in the kitchen. Never have enough drawers and storage. Good sized fridge in here as well. Stove, sink. Let's come check out this walk-through bathroom. It's got kind of a Jack and Jill door to the bathroom. It also has a front door to the unit as well, just into the bedroom. The bathroom, full-blown little medicine, shower with enough room. And in this bedroom here, you have a door to the outside, so you could exit and or come in through just there. Storage all the way across here. The closets on either side. Pass through underneath the front there. You also have nice nightstands and storage under the bed. So this guy's got nice storage all over it. Comes with everything you see here. If you're curious about this unit or anything else here at Guaranty, my name is Kirk. I go by Captain Kirk. Please give me a call at 541-601-8742. Hope you're enjoying your day and have a good one.